This video is a part of the free traffic series for affiliate marketers, for new affiliate marketers, for people that are new to affiliate marketing. We're going to make $500 a day using LinkedIn groups, okay? Make $500 a day. Okay, here we are on LinkedIn. Remember, we're going to make $500 a day. We're going to do this very simply, okay? Now, and it's all a numbers game. It's driving traffic. Affiliate marketing is driving traffic. It's all percentages. I'm going to show you in a second, okay? So you're going to come up to the search bar and you're going to search your niche, okay? Now, my niche is affiliate marketing, so I'm going to search affiliate marketing. You're going to go down here to groups. Okay, here we are. We have a whole list of groups in affiliate marketing, okay, or in your niche, whatever your niche is. Whether your niche could be who knows what, whatever it is. I'm not going to start rattling off niches. You know what a niche. If you want to know what a niche is, check out my channel. Check out some of my other videos. I got a one about choosing a niche. In the meantime, I'm going to use affiliate marketing as my niche. Now, the group has 54,000 members in it, okay? Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the group. Let's click it. Again, this is all about attraction marketing, okay? So you're going to become a member of the group. You're going to start making posts. You're going to give value in affiliate marketing. You're going to give either a checklist or some kind of tips or something. You're going to do every third post, you're going to do an affiliate link, okay? Every third post. Now, at the same time, you really can't do affiliate links on LinkedIn. So what you need to do is you need to go to the people that are in the group. See all. Okay? And you message them. And you turn around and you tell them, listen, I'm new, whatever you want to tell them. I see you're into affiliate marketing, and I have the program that was very successful for me, helped me out. And if you'd like to check it out, here's my link. As you know, as an affiliate marketer, it's an affiliate link, and you would be helping me out by checking it out through my link. You could be very honest and open. They're affiliate marketers too, or they're aspiring affiliate marketers. So then you just need an offer, right? So, okay, this is Digistore24. It's an affiliate marketing platform. They have all kinds of products. You've heard of ClickBank, JVZoo. There's a million of them, or there's some. You can just go to certain. You could be an affiliate marketer for anybody. Search your niche on Google. Say whatever your niche is, affiliate programs, and search it. You'll come up with something in your niche. Okay, but in the meantime, we're going to turn around over here. We're going to use Digistore24, and I'm going to go down to internet marketing and e-business because we're searching for affiliate marketing, right? We're looking for a product to sell people that are interested in affiliate marketing. Now, the first one that comes up is about YouTube. We're not going to go to that one. Then the next one we're going to go down is going to be done for you service, affiliate marketing system. So we're going to look at this one. Okay, look at that now. It's going to be $558 per sale. Okay, so now how many people are you going to have to contact? How many messages are you going to have to get going on LinkedIn? Maybe 10 a day, maybe 50 a day, maybe 100 a day to make one sale. You make one sale a day, that's $500, okay? So, I mean, okay, and a quick tip, when you're looking at products to promote, you're going to want to come over here. They have a sales page. That's going to be the where your affiliate link is going to send them to the sales page. You're going to look for affiliate support page. You want a product that has an affiliate support page. As a new affiliate marketer, you don't want to go through the hassle of making images and headlines and ad copy. It's got everything there for you so that you can have a successful campaign. Okay, so you can make good posts for your social media campaigns. Okay, and remember, every third post is going to be sending them to an affiliate link. Now, again, you're a new marketer. Click some of my other links click the link in the description for the affiliate marketing course that I have. It's a free course. It's going to teach you how to be an affiliate marketer because you need a landing page. You need to build an email list. I'm just teaching you free traffic to get started with brand new marketers because you don't have any money to get started. Let's go. Okay, the 5 key steps to attraction marketing. Whether you're doing Quora, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. What did I miss? Did I miss anything? No matter what social media you're using, attraction marketing, you're going to DM people, you're going to go to groups, you're going to go to the spaces, you're going to, whatever you're doing, this is what you need to do. Okay, number one, very important, you got to be passionate. Believe in your product. You got to believe in your niche. Okay, it's got to be something you have passion for. So you're coming across, remember, it's attraction marketing. So you have to be attractive. You have to have passion. You have to have charisma. Okay, now number two is you got to have a story. Now, what's your story? How did you get to where you are? How did you get from point A to point B? How did you get from the pain to now the pleasure? How'd you get from the problem to the solution? So now you're in the solution. Now you want to help other people get to the solution. So how did you do it? That's your story. Okay. If you don't have your own story, find a story, make one up, find someone else's story. Maybe your mentor has a story. Number three is be a leader. You want to be the leader that you want to be, the leader you would follow. Okay, so it's, remember, you're going to be an influencer. Okay, now you've heard about Instagram influencers. Now social media influencers, they're the people that are in their niche that have authority. They're an authority figure in the niche. And how do you get to be an authority figure? Number four is you give value, and you give free value. The key to it all is giving free value in attraction marketing. So like every third post is going to be an affiliate link, but the other two posts are going to be value. They're going to be tips. They're going to be something of value in the niche. So people are going to recognize you as someone that when they see your post, they're going to go, that's something interesting. I need to look at it. Or, you might link to other articles and other things. So they get used to clicking from your post off to some value. So then when you post something with an affiliate link, they're automatically going to click it and go to the affiliate page. And once you get into the sales page, it's all about getting into the sales funnel. Now remember, click on some of my other videos, subscribe to my channel, because you need to build an email list. You need to have a landing page. You can't send people straight to the affiliate page, okay, to the sales page. Number five is content creation. Now you're going to have to get better and better at creating content, and you're going to have to pump it out on a regular basis. The more content out there, the better it is. Okay, so now those are the 5 attraction marketing key steps, and there you go. So now this is the beginning of affiliate marketing. This is free traffic. This is how you get free traffic. This is a video in a series of free traffic. Click the link right now for the next video in the series for social media, free traffic, affiliate marketing for beginners. Before you can afford paid traffic, you want to get going with free traffic. Some people stay with free traffic forever and do really well with it. So get in and watch the next